In this quick guide, I'll show you how to connect any USB storage such as a USB flash drive, hard drive, or SSD to your Roku TV and play videos, listen to songs, or view pictures from it. First of all, the USB drive that you want to use should be formatted to either FAT32 or NTFS. If it's not, then you can just plug it into a computer, format it, and load it with your media files. Then simply plug it into the USB port on your Roku TV. After that, you will get a prompt to allow access to external media. So just select Allow. Then you will get another prompt telling you to install the Roku Media Player, which is the official app to view files from your USB storage. So we'll just select Launch. If it's not installed, it will redirect you to the apps page. From there, just select Add Channel. After the installation is complete, the app will launch automatically. From there, select the media type that you want to view, or you can just select All. After that, you will get to select the source. And as you can see, our USB flash drive has popped up here. Just press OK to open it, and you'll be able to view all the folders and files such as music, photos, or videos that you have stored on your USB storage. And you can access your USB storage drive that's plugged into your TV whenever you want by opening the Roku Media Player app. So that's how simply you can connect a USB storage to your Roku TV for media playback. If you liked this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and get subscribed for daily uploads.